We're in the middle of the biggest disruption the agency space has ever seen. And the agency owners who figure this out are going to become the millionaires over the next couple of years. Trust me, I've been in this world for over 23 years, scaling my agency to over $7 million per year and helping over 150 agencies hit 7 figures. And I can tell you that AI is turning everything upside down. It's pretty simple. The agencies that don't adapt will be absolutely crushed by the ones that do. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this new agency model looks like, why it's the only option for agencies to survive, and how to implement it in your business as fast as possible. So let's talk a little bit about what this means for agencies. We've seen this before in other industries. Look at Kodak. They invented the digital camera, but refused to cannibalize their film business. And so they're gone. Blockbuster had the chance to buy Netflix for $50 million and passed. Both companies were industry leaders and got disrupted because they refused to adapt. The same thing is happening to agencies right now with AI. What's changed just in the last 12 months? What used to take weeks can now get done in hours with AI. Clients' expectations have shifted. Clients are asking for faster delivery, better results. The old model of a basic website, SEO, monthly retainers isn't good enough anymore. I just spent an entire week with some of the top digital marketing agencies from across the country, world-class speakers like Marcus Sheridan, really unpacking where things are headed and what you can do now. Before I explain what you need to do to survive, if you want hands-on help implementing these AI strategies and our entire roadmap that over 150 agencies have used to scale to $1 million per year, then book a free acceleration session with us by clicking the first link in the description. Back to the video. What should agencies do to survive? First of all, you've got to stop thinking AI is just a tool. Most agencies right now are just using ChatGPT to write a couple of prompts, right? Maybe to do some emails, maybe to do some website copy. That's not what I mean by building AI into your agency. Agencies that win are going to bake AI into everything they do. With this, they can achieve 3 things: efficiency, doing the same work in 1/10 the time; quality, delivering better results than you ever had before; and scale, handling more clients without adding additional headcount. Let me show you how agencies are currently implementing this in all of their processes. When you think about the different aspects of your agency, there's lead generation, there's your sales process, there's service delivery, there's account management, retention, there's operations, team management, and leadership. Really, AI can be partitioned and plugged in to each of these different areas within your business. So when we think about lead generation and client acquisition, prospect research and list building, automated reach out with personalization, content creation, personalized videos with AI avatars, there are great tools that already exist that you can plug into to create this type of leverage. Clay lets you put a list in place and it will leverage AI to augment details and data about that company. Apollo Instantly.ai lets you send messages out, customize. It will actually look up, okay, what's their website? What are the details about what they do? What are their online reviews? Pull that data together and help you write customized messaging so that you're writing a very custom message rather than just a bland, generic message that goes out to everybody. Claude, you can create very specific ICPs for your content, for your social media, for your information, and then have it create text, images, video scripts. Hey Jen lets you program your face, program your tonality, program your voice so they can create videos based on a script and you don't have to create it yourself. I don't recommend creating this type of long form content using a platform like that, but personalized communication and outreach to prospects where you can do massive volume or at least higher volume without personally having to record individual videos as the first seed of communication, there's a great play there. After that, there's your sales process. Once we've actually got the appointment with the prospect, we can use AI meeting schedulers, right? Where they can pick a time, where they can have flexibility and agility to pick a time. Meeting prep. Like think about how much time we spend reviewing their website, reviewing their current rankings, reviewing how they're coming up in search. We can leverage AI to do a lot of that due diligence, everything we need at our fingertips so we can really paint the picture of, hey, look, here's what you're doing today. Here's the gaps and some of the issues with your current strategy, and here's how we can help. And then we can use automated follow-up sequences based on call outcome. Some great tools for this, obviously High Level and the AI components built into High Level, Fathom AI, Gong. These are some great platforms that can, not only help you improve your sales process, help you get better prepared, but also get coaching and feedback so that you and your sales team can improve close ratios, improve client experience. What we all think about when we think about AI for our agencies, it's in service delivery. We're building websites, we're doing SEO, we're doing paid search, we're adding marketing automation automation in place. When it comes to websites today, the technology is coming where we can just have websites built based on our frameworks, based on our context and kind of what we found works best in today's market. Some of those tools that you might want to look at are Framer, 10Web, Durable. Ultimately, that is going to lead to better designs, faster turnarounds, higher margins, and better split testing. Really, if you've got 100 clients in one industry, you get one set of eyes looking at those sites, looking at the conversion factors, trying to make decisions versus having AI in the back end, looking at that at scale, helping you figure out like what is actually going to generate better conversion results for your clients. Content creation, we're all doing website content, homepage, about us page, service pages, city pages, blog posts, social medias, video scripts. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and the variety can really help with that. My go-to today is creating a custom ICP project inside Claude, fully prompt with all the details about the client, about who their ideal customer is, about their unique selling proposition, about the services they do and don't, and then having Claude with the context of the types of content that we like to create that are proven to generate great results to really generate better results faster with less human intervention. SEO, right? Getting the client ranked on Google, getting them ranked in AI search, getting them ranked on the map. We all need to leverage tools to do that better, faster. One of my go-tos is Search Atlas. Surfer SEO has a lot of great technology on this front. Marketing Muse, all platforms you can look at to generate better SEO results with less hands-on manual intervention. Paid ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, local service ads. Technology is coming on the market to help you do those things better and faster. One of the great tools if you're running Facebook ads or TikTok ads is to use creative.ai, which can clone out a lot of different ad variations so that you can split test quicker. Optimizer for Google Ads specifically gives you a roll-up dashboard of all your clients, the best performing keywords, negative keywords, and can really help scale the strategy in terms of how you deliver paid search and better results across your network of clients. Lots of other things you can do just within service delivery, but hopefully those are some good seed tools to get you thinking. From an account management and retention perspective, we want AI-powered reporting dashboards, right? So we can quickly showcase to the client, here's the actual results. How much did we spend? How many leads did we generate? Which of those leads generated booked jobs? What's the return on investment? How much revenue was generated? And show that to them in a very visual way. Really streamline a lot of the communication so that they're quicker to see, here's what we did, here's the results we're getting, here's where things are headed. Automated check-ins and health scores. Lots of great tools for this. We still use NinjaCat.ai to kind of demonstrate the recording results for our clients. Searchlight, if we're kind of connecting to various APIs for the actual dispatch systems that our clients use. High level, of course, for the CRM, the communication. CallRail, Churn Zero, great tools to help you on the account management front to be more efficient, to be more effective. Operations, right? We've got teams, we've got hiring, we've got all these things we need to do to manage our team. Well, we want to dial in hiring and onboarding, performance tracking, financial forecasting and planning, and some great tools for this are ClickUp. ClickUp's got a great AI interaction now that's built in that you can leverage, Zapier, and a variety of other tools you can use. Big picture, you want to be looking across the entire horizon of what you do within your business, from how you operate to how you land clients to how you deliver the results for those clients, all the way through to how you manage the team and the systems. Hopefully this has been an eye-opener in terms of the different tools and the different platforms you want to be paying attention to, you want to be testing in order to set yourself up to thrive in this new era of AI. By implementing AI into each part of your business, you'll be able to do more with less. But of course, scaling to 7 figures is not only about AI. You need to master every aspect of running a successful agency. If you want to take the first step towards hitting $1 million per year, book a free agency acceleration session with us, where our team can dive deep into your agency and give you the exact roadmap that will take you to 7 figures and beyond. You can find the link in the description to book your call. I hope you found value from this video, and I'll see you on the next one.